going on, everybody? We are at Jim Trenary Ford in Moscow Mills, Missouri, and today we are going to show you how to operate the Advanced Park Assist on the 2019 models. So what you're going to do is you're going to place your vehicle in drive, and you're going to push this button right here, which activates the Advanced Park Assist. As you can see, you do have a few different options. You have parallel park, you also have perpendicular park, and then you have the parallel park out, and then obviously the off button, which turns off the Advanced Parking Assist option. And in our situation, we are looking for a perpendicular place to park. We're going to drive the vehicle, and it will find us a place to park. Whoop, space found. When the vehicle does find a place for you to park, it will alert you with a stop sign right here that you need to release the steering wheel and shift to reverse. So we have released the steering wheel, and we are going to shift the vehicle into reverse, and it will put us in the parking spot. You will get a little bit of anxiety the first time you do this. And look at there, perfectly in the spot. And that is how you operate the Advanced Parking Assist on the 2019 Ford models. To check out any of these advanced safety features or the Advanced Park Assist, you can visit us in Moscow Mills, Missouri, or go to our website, jimtrenaryford.com.